Did you know that adding just a handful of nuts to your daily diet could extend your life by up to 2 years? It sounds almost too simple to be true, doesn't it? But what if I told you that the key to unlocking a longer, healthier life isn't hidden in a high-tech lab or an expensive clinic, but right inside your kitchen, on your plate? What happens when food becomes more than just fuel, but the very blueprint for longevity? Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey to uncover how the food we eat every single day can profoundly impact not just our health, but our lifespan. We're going to explore the science behind how certain foods can turn back our biological clock, and I'll share some simple yet powerful changes you can make starting today. Forget what you think you know about aging because we're about to redefine it. This isn't about restrictive diets or giving up everything you love. It's about discovering the delicious, life-extending power of food. Let's get real for a moment. When we think about living a long life, what usually comes to mind? For many, it's genetics. We might say, oh, my grandparents lived into their 90s, so I probably will too, or the opposite, feeling a sense of doom if our family history isn't as fortunate. Others might focus entirely on intense exercise, believing that grueling workouts are the only path to longevity. And then there's the modern world's promise of a quick fix, pills, supplements, and anti-aging creams that all claim to hold the secret to eternal youth. The common thread here is that we often look for solutions outside of ourselves, or we resign ourselves to factors we can't control. This mindset creates a huge blind spot. We meticulously plan our finances for retirement, we invest in our careers, but we often neglect to invest in the most critical asset we have, our long-term health. The challenge is that the connection between our daily plate and our future self seems distant and abstract. A donut today doesn't immediately make you feel older, just like a salad doesn't instantly make you feel younger. This delayed gratification is tricky. We're surrounded by ultra-processed foods that are engineered to be irresistible, packed with sugar, unhealthy fats, and salt. They offer immediate pleasure, but act as silent saboteurs to our long-term health goals. The biggest misconception is that aging is a passive process of inevitable decline. We see wrinkles, gray hair, and slowing down as things that just happen to us. But what science is screaming from the rooftops is that we have far more control than we think. The choices we make in the kitchen every single day are actively programming our bodies for either accelerated aging or vibrant longevity. The real problem isn't just a lack of information. It's a culture that has disconnected the profound relationship between what we eat and how long and how well we live. So where does the science actually point? The evidence is overwhelming, and it all leads back to whole, unprocessed foods. Let's start with the blue zone areas around the world where people live the longest. Healthiest lives often reaching 100 years old at rates 10 times higher than in the United States. What's their secret? It's not a magic pill. Places like Okinawa, Japan, Sardinia, Italy, Loma Linda, California, researchers found that their diets are predominantly plant-based. We're talking about a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are staples. These foods are nutritional powerhouses. They are packed with fiber, which is crucial for a healthy gut microbiome. Think of your gut as a garden. When you feed it fiber, you're nurturing beneficial bacteria that help reduce inflammation throughout your body. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of almost every age-related disease, from heart disease to Alzheimer's. So, by eating more fiber-rich foods, you are actively fighting inflammation and protecting your body from the inside out. Then there are antioxidants. You've heard the term, but what do they really do? Picture them as your body's personal security guards. Every day, our cells are attacked by unstable molecules called free radicals, which are caused by things like pollution, stress, and poor diet. This damage, called oxidative stress, accelerates aging. Antioxidants, found in abundance in colorful foods like berries, dark leafy greens like spinach and kale, and even dark chocolate, neutralize these free radicals, protecting our cells and DNA. Eating a rainbow of foods isn't just a fun saying. It's a strategy for flooding your body with a diverse range of these protective compounds. And what about fats? For decades, fat was the enemy. But we now know that's not the full story. Healthy fats are essential for brain health and longevity. I'm talking about omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in walnuts and flax seeds. These fats help maintain the flexibility of our cell membranes and have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. 8. Studies have shown that people with higher levels of omega-3 south in their blood have a significantly lower risk of dying from heart attacks. It's about choosing the right fats, swapping out processed vegetable oils and trans fats for olive oil, avocados, and nuts. It's a simple switch that can have a massive impact on your health span. Now for the really mind-blowing part. Let's go deeper than just eat your veggies. Scientists are now looking at how specific food compounds interact with our genes. This is a field called Nutrigenomics, and it's revealing that food is literally information that talks to our DNA. One of the most exciting discoveries revolves around a process called autophagy. Think of autophagy as your body's cellular cleanup crew. It's a natural process where your cells get rid of old, damaged parts to make way for new, healthy ones. It's like taking out the trash at a cellular level. When this process works well, it helps protect against aging and disease. When it slows down, cellular junk accumulates, which is a hallmark of aging. So how can we boost this amazing process? Certain foods contain compounds that are powerful activators of autophagy. For example, a compound called spermidine, found in things like aged cheese, mushrooms, and whole grains, has been shown in studies to trigger autophagy and extend lifespan in animals. Another one is resveratrol, the famous antioxidant in the skin of red grapes, which has been shown to mimic the effects of caloric restriction, a known longevity pathway. Get this. Even simple fasting, like time-restricted eating where you eat all your meals within an 8-hour window, can significantly ramp up autophagy. Your body, when it's not constantly busy digesting, has time to focus on repair and cleanup. But perhaps the most profound revelation comes from Dr. Walter Longo and his research on the fasting mimicking diet. He found that a specific 5-day low-calorie plant-based diet can push the body into a regenerative state. His studies showed that cycles of this diet can reduce risk factors for aging and age-related diseases. The body, perceiving a state of fasting, activates stem cells and begins to regenerate and rejuvenate from within. This isn't just slowing down aging, it's actively reversing biological age markers. It shows that dramatic, positive change is possible. Food isn't just preventative, it can be therapeutic and regenerative. The power to tell your body to heal and renew itself is quite literally on your fork. So, to wrap it all up, the secret to a longer life isn't a secret at all. It's been on our plates the whole time. It's about shifting our perspective from seeing food as just calories or momentary pleasure to understanding it. It's powerful information that instructs our bodies to either age faster or thrive longer. It's about prioritizing whole plant-rich foods, embracing healthy fats, and filling our plates with a rainbow of antioxidant-rich vegetables and fruits. The incredible science of nutrigenomics shows us that we're not just passive victims of our genes. We are active participants in our own longevity story. Every meal is an opportunity to make a choice that supports a healthier, longer, and more vibrant future. What are your thoughts on this? Do you have a favorite longevity food or a healthy eating tip that has changed your life? I would love to hear about it in the comments below. Let's start a conversation and learn from each other. And if you found this video helpful and want to dive deeper into building healthy habits, be sure to check out our video on the 5 simple habits for a healthier lifestyle. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on living your best life. See you in the next one.